Black Beauty never looked this good. 2008 Tuxedo Black Lincoln MKZ looks like it just came off the showroom's floor. One owner purchased automatic transmission this dealership. Fully loaded with luxurious dark charcoal leather interior, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seats, memory seats, power sunroof, navigation, sync, and so much more. Lincoln certified pre-owned. Almost new tires. The paint has a showroom shine. With just 39,662 miles, this car is barely broken in. 100% auto check guaranteed. The interior of this vehicle is virtually flawless. Still has the new car smell. Very smooth ride. All electronic components in working condition. All interior components are in good working order. This is one of the most desirable color combinations. The perfect blend of